Hi, I'm Saba Yasmin with Realty One Group Central, your trusted real estate partner in New Jersey. The inflation data published recently tells a complex story that every investor and homeowner needs to understand. Let me break down what the CPI and PPI numbers really mean and its potential effect on the housing market for buyers and sellers. The Consumer Price Index rose 0.3% in July, bringing the annual inflation rate to 3.4%, slightly higher than economists expected. This directly impacts what families pay for essentials, from gasoline and groceries to housing costs. Meanwhile, the Producer Price Index tells a different story. PPI rose just 0.2% monthly, suggesting business cost pressures may be easing. At 2.4% annually, this more moderate reading could mean less inflation will be passed to consumers in coming months. This divergence between consumer and producer prices creates a complex puzzle for Federal Reserve policymakers. The Wall Street veteran can tell you the Federal Reserve is watching these numbers very carefully. The September meeting will be crucial for interest rate policy. The elevated CPI reading suggests their previous rate hikes haven't fully tamed inflation, while the subdued PPI argues for patience. This data will heavily influence whether they raise rates again or maintain the current restrictive stance. The mortgage specialists see the direct connection between Fed policy and home financing costs. When inflation runs hot, mortgage rates typically follow. The market anticipates Fed moves, often pushing mortgage rates higher, even before official announcements. This means the cost of homeownership continues to challenge family budgets across the country. For home buyers, my advice as your real estate partner in New Jersey area is clear. Get pre-approved now to understand your budget based on current rates. Don't try to time the market perfectly. Remember, you marry the house but date the rate. You can always refinance when conditions improve. Focus on finding a home that fits your long-term needs within current financial situation. Sellers face a different reality. While demand remains strong, affordability challenges mean you must price realistically from the start. A well-presented, competitively priced home will still attract serious buyers, but be prepared for negotiations. The days of multiple over-ask offers are less common. Flexibility and realistic expectations are key. The latest inflation data signals continued vigilance is needed. Both buyers and sellers who stay informed will be best positioned. While long-term inflation trends may be downward, short-term volatility remains. Strategic planning is essential. The path forward for real estate is deeply connected to inflation trends. These aren't just numbers, they're signposts guiding your biggest financial decisions. This is Saba Yasmin with Realty One Group Central, your trusted real estate partner in New Jersey. Saba Yasmin, Realty One Group Central, 609-232-2645, Saba.Yasmin, a realtor@gmail.com.